What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. I'm feeling a lot better, so at least I'm not whispering this one, but let's complete keeping an eye out. For this quest, we'll need to head across to Bilguun. I've pulled up my interactive map here just to show you where it is, but zooming into the southwest side over here by the bridge where it separates down here, you can see this marker, keeping an eye out. This is where we're heading. Essentially, we'll need to make our way on top of this bridge, either by using a snap hook and shooting ourselves up from the bottom, climbing up here and walking across, or bringing a zip line, which will make life infinitely easier. We'll need to get from the top of the bridge down and into a little secret room over here and interact to complete this quest. The easiest thing to do, especially if you're coming through on a fresh wipe, is to just bring a zip line with you. Spawning in on Bilguun, make your way all the way down to the south by the highway collapse over here on the west. Approaching this bridge, we can either climb up onto it from this location over here and make our way up just by running up there, or alternatively, if you brought a zipline with you, head straight across to the far end over there. At this far location, if you're on top, either drop down and grab the lower ledge right over there. Otherwise, you can use the zipline to go straight up there from the bottom. Say, let's get this right. Over there looks okay, and we can head up. Just on top, you'll see that there's a zipline up there that you can activate, which allows you to get back up very easily if you happen to miss the ledge over here. Just inside, there's some loot, and of course, a mural on the back wall, which we can interact to take a photo of. Once you've done this, we've completed the quest. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.